Hello everyone, this is Kristen with the Fifth Sparrow No More, and I want to say thank you for watching. Today we're doing a mini reset to put all the Easter on the middle island and turn the chicken nesting box into a flower market. This is everything that needs to go in the reset. I'm pricing all the different pieces and then taking it down to the booth. And you can see in the pile a lot of the different things that we've been making in the spring thrift flips. The crackle eggs, the rocking chair, and the bunny transfers. Here is that chicken nesting box that we are going to turn into a flower market. I took a sign that said fresh flowers and just put magnets on the back of it and then put that on the chicken nesting box. I'll fill each section with different flowers and made sure that the price tags were hanging out of the front of the flowers, so that's easy for the customers to see. Very pleased with the progress. First things first, clear off the island. I'm taking everything that's not specifically Easter and I'm making a pile of that. And then I am making a pile of things that are very Easter. And then that way I know what needs to go on the shelf and then what needs to come back onto the island. Here I am using my arm as a measuring tape to see if that brown little dresser will fit on the shelf. It will not, so it'll stay on the table to put Easter things on. I need to clear off this shelf and get it all up on the table. So here we go with that. Here I am making those trips back and forth to the front to bring all the pieces that I priced back here to put on our Easter island. Now I'm going to let you listen to some music and watch the reset. Thank you.